Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are exploring the addition property of inequality. Specifically, we will focus on how adding the same value to both sides of an inequality maintains the direction of the inequality sign. This is a fundamental concept for solving algebraic problems. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the symbols you will see. We have the less than sign, like 3 is less than 5. The greater than sign, like 8 is greater than 2. And we also have less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Understanding these symbols is the first step. Here is the core rule. If A is less than B, then A plus C is also less than B plus C. In simpler terms, if you add the same number to both sides of an inequality, the statement remains true and the inequality symbol does not change direction. It stays exactly the same. Let's visualize this on a number line. Start with 2 is less than 6. If we add 3 to both numbers, 2 becomes 5 and 6 becomes 9. Notice how both points shift to the right by the same amount. 5 is still to the left of 9, so 5 is less than 9. The order is preserved. Now let's solve a problem. Suppose we have the inequality x minus 5 is greater than 12. Our goal is to isolate x by itself. Since 5 is being subtracted from x, we need to do the opposite to cancel it out. To get x alone, we add 5 to the left side. To keep things balanced, we must also add 5 to the right side. Negative 5 plus 5 becomes 0, leaving just x. 12 plus 5 equals 17. So our answer is x is greater than 17. Here is what the solution looks like on a graph. We draw an open circle at 17 because our symbol is strictly greater than, meaning 17 is not included. Then, we shade everything to the right to represent all numbers greater than 17. What if we have addition in the problem? Consider x plus 4 is less than or equal to 10. To isolate x, we need to remove the 4. We can do this by adding negative 4 to both sides, which is the same as subtracting 4. Why doesn't the symbol flip? Think of a balance scale. If the left side is lighter, adding the same weight to both sides keeps the left side lighter. Or think of the number line, you are just sliding the values. You aren't mirroring them or changing their relative order. To wrap up, remember these key points. You can add the same number to both sides of an inequality to solve it. This works for positive and negative numbers. Most importantly, simply adding or subtracting never flips the inequality sign.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.